Hi everyone, I am Fiona. In this video, we would like to introduce the technical upgrade solution of this mold. The mold cavity is manufactured using a 3D printed sandcasting process. The mold frame is built with a 6263 aluminum profile structure and fixed by reinforcing screws and 4 locating pins. In addition, stainless steel lifting rings and stainless steel sprue inlets are installed, ensuring high structural strength and long service life. Now let's look at the different parts of the mold. The upper side is the fixed mold. The lower side is the moving mold. On the moving mold side, you can see the water inlet, air inlet, and lifting ring. On the fixed mold side, there are also water inlets, air inlets, and a lifting ring. Here is the ejector pinhole. Here is the injector gun hole. And this is the drainage outlet. You can also see the clamping screw between the moving mold and the fixed mold. Before installing the mold onto the molding machine, this screw must be removed. For more information about the EPS machine and EPS mold, please contact us by email or mobile phone.